Hello brothers, sisters, you're Okoro. So I'm in Upper East region, Bolgatanga, and with the Fafa family, today we're preparing one of the indigenous local recipes that we have over here. This is called dry okra soup. And it's really delicious, like really mouth-watering soup. Very easy to prepare, and with little ingredients, you can prepare this amazing recipe. So let me not waste your time, and let's get this rolling.
Smoked Guinea fowl.
If you like it.
So all the bones was taken out from the fish because of the kit.
Hey, dolam market has zero. Club Congo. Conquer. Yarona. So it will not boil.
Yeah.
Then we'll not add the dawadawa and then the dry okra.
Okay.
You don't use tomatoes.
No tomatoes, okay.
Yes, the gurukula market has zero. Then letter in wa. So gurukua get limbe zero ba alawan. Yarn pie, yarn kapa.
So this is spice for them. It's a spice. They don't use Maggi. No Maggi, no whatever. This is the spices for them.
First stage of spice.
Okay.
Before the other one will come.
Okay. The soup is boiling and the dawadawa is here. Bomb. The aroma coming here is crazy. Like it's amazing.
And very nutritious.
Yeah.
The dawadawa is a herb and at the same time
Medicine.
a spice.
Yeah. Okay. Here, that money or the dry herring or the dry fish is being used as spices or seasoning. They don't chew them; they pound them to powder to make a powder. Then they use as seasoning or spices. Since I know what is this, the group wow. So our pounded dry fish is here and it's going inside the dry okra soup. And it's the same process. As I said, no spices of garlic, ginger, Maggi. They use dawadawa and the dry pounded fish as their spices. So these are dry okra. You can see it's very dry. So this is what we're going to use for the other soup. So she's pounding the dry okra for the dry okra soup, and this is the dry okra as I showed you, and she's pounding. Once again, no blender, natural resource, natural stuff only. Yeah. So pestle and the mortar pounding. That's what's up. So the quantity is small, so she's adding some water to it. The dry okra is coming, the pounded dry okra is being added to the soup. Soda or bicarbonate. Okay, so as you know, bicarbonate helps the okra to have that what do you call the elastic. Okay. Now the dry okra soup is done and it's ready to be served. So I'm trying the dry okra soup. And, okay.
10.
Okay. Guy. I have dry okra soup over here. Okay, so red teaser that you saw in the other video. Today I have it over here. Okay. So this is Guinea fowl. Yeah. So red tease it. Okay, red tease it. made with red millet. Okay. So this is my calabash full of water. Yeah. No cap, nothing. Calabash, clay bowl, clay pot. No plastic, no metal. Yeah, it is what it is.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you share to showcase African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Barokodo.
You need to visit. You definitely need to visit. Yeah. Definitely need to visit.
So me person me this tika come my dofo and I'm a bushing for ewa Ghana. Me the for tap sing.
This is tap. And the best so far.
And then Tisama, yes, and this Kakofia, not a tap.
Tap send will be out there around down the up now. Cannot master for African countries to be.
And the reason I changed over to tap then.
If you're here, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured experience. I've never had any issue.
Tap sing and no one about phone in a yard. Tap sing, Papa no.